This video you're about to watch is not a tutorial but a confession. I'll be sharing a secret with you that I've been cherishing for a very long time for free of charge. I'm just joking. Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm here to show you an app that is so special on my phone that nothing can ever make me delete it. So without further philandering, let's get right into it. So a lot of my friends have asked me, Daniel, how are you able to view my status even after I've deleted them, and even some of the messages I sent to you and deleted on WhatsApp? Well, the answer is simple. I use this app called WhatsApp Plus here. This is my main WhatsApp account and this is the one I created purposely for this review. Well, what is WhatsApp Plus? WhatsApp Plus is a mode of the base WhatsApp app which brings all the salient features that users love, improving on that with some highly coveted features which users are waiting for. Although there are lots of other WhatsApp alternatives out there, but the WhatsApp Plus stands out in the unique offering that it brings on board. I have seen a lot of users online complaining about how they are getting banned, mainly because they are not using the official WhatsApp app. But this is not the case with WhatsApp Plus, because trust me, I have been using this WhatsApp Plus since my first Android phone, which is Tecno H5. RIP my Tecno, I still love you. Okay, back to the topic. WhatsApp Plus is far different from any other WhatsApp alternative, like the GB WhatsApp, the FM WhatsApp. I have tried most of those alternatives, but none can be compared to WhatsApp Plus, because in terms of security, one of the secrets of WhatsApp Plus is that it gets updated frequently. They update their security patches frequently, which gives you, the user, the advantage of not getting banned forever. One of the advantages of WhatsApp Plus is that it has lots and tons of cool and amazing features, which we'll be getting right into, because I definitely cannot mention everything. So let's get right into the app. When you install the app, this is the default interface. You can see it is looking more or less like a default WhatsApp. Okay, let me show you this icon here. This Wi-Fi icon here stands for do not disturb. Once you activate this, you will no longer receive any message. Let's say I want to watch YouTube and I do not want to be disturbed by WhatsApp message. Clicking on this button will turn on the do not disturb mode and you will never get any message while this is turned on. So another cool feature is you can hide chat just by long pressing on the chat. As you can see here, hide chat. If I do this, it will ask me for a pattern or a pin or a password, but I've already set a pattern. So as you can see, it has disappeared. A tricky part of it is that to view the chats you've hidden, just click on this WhatsApp here, enter your pin, and voila, it is here. It will be there. To unhide it, just click on this eye icon here, enter your pin. That's so. Let's get into the main settings of the app. Privacy and security. Here you can freeze the last scene, you can change contact privacy, you can change whatsoever privacy you want. Who can call me? You can choose the person you want to call you. Okay, this is where I use the anti-delete message. Once you click on this anti-delete message, even if people delete the messages they send to you, you will still see it. Simple as that. So hide view status. If you enable this hide view status here, when you view your friend's status, it will not show your name that you viewed it. You can use it for your ex. So this anti-delete status is the same thing. If your friend should delete his or her status, you will still be able to see it. Coming to the security tab, this is for WhatsApp lock. If you want to lock the app, all right, let's go. For the add-on here, you can download packs of stickers. and here you can get lots of wallpaper. This theme tab here is useful if you do not want to go through the stress of having to customize your charts by yourself. So universal, this is where you can customize, change anything whatsoever, change your status bar, your navigation bar. Here you can change your launcher icon. Let's say I change it to this. All right, as you can see, it has changed. So notification icon, if you receive any message, this is the icon it is going to bring. The font style will change the entire font of your WhatsApp message. The emoji variant will change the type of emoji you use. We are done with that. Hide media from gallery. You can choose to hide your media. Backup and restore. You can back up. Okay, settings. This conversation card here. Okay, let me show you what it does. Let's say I am chatting with this person and I don't want to leave this conversation as it is. Let's go here. You can view other people's, you can do something else while leaving that still there. So the conversation card will give you the option of multiple chats. The disable badge counter will disable the badge on your home screen. Let's say you're having 3 new messages and you want to disable the 3 on your WhatsApp icon. This is the option right here. You can disable audio playing notification. This enable always online will keep showing you online even when you turn off your data. WhatsApp Plus comes with a cleaner. On my normal WhatsApp account, this WhatsApp log should be around 500 to 400 MB. It is useless to me unless I am a developer who needs log. So to clear it, just click on this clear log and it will disappear just like that. These 2 options here, this send image in full resolution and disable image share limits. On the official WhatsApp, the maximum resolution you can send is around 1 MB. While the maximum number of images you can send at once is 10. This will disable it for you if you're using WhatsApp Plus. Let's go to the home screen. Yes, this is the customization tab. I can decide to show my group name instead of this normal WhatsApp. I can decide to disable status under my name. I can enable Instagram like stories, show airplane do not disturb mode. Okay, this is what we talked about. If you want to disable it, so I think we're done with that. Rows. So as you can see, there are lots of features you can play with. You can decide to change your photo corner, 0 to square, 100 to round, 50 for medium, stuff like that. I can disable contact online toast. What this does is that if any of your friends are online, it will show you the name of the person, so person is online. So if you disable it, you will not be able to see that. So this is the chat customization mode. Bubbles. Okay, tick style. This will change, as you can see here. This will change your tick style. This will change the kind of bubbles you use. Let me change to circle. You can see the corner, it has changed to circle. Okay, message text size. You can decide to change the size of your message. You can decide to change the background, stuff like that. You can decide to make text selectable. That is if you want to copy. Pictures mode. Here you can decide to show contact pics on every messages. Conversation entry. Here you can change the type of entry. As you can see, you have lots of them you can change from. Okay, more options. So you can just play around. Here, this custom wallpaper per contact is if you want to use a particular wallpaper for a particular person. If I don't want my wallpaper to be general for everybody, you can decide to use a custom wallpaper per contact. You can decide to hide date and time. You can enable proximity sensor. That is when you're playing voice notes, should your voice note stop playing when your hand touches the sensor or not. frequently contacted, this will hide them from your forward section. If I want to forward message to some people, widgets, here we have the widget. You can change the background, change it to anything you like. So for the themes option, let's see, there are lots of themes you can choose from here, and they are very small in size. They are not even up to 50 kilobytes. Kilobytes are not megabytes, 50. So they are not even up to 50 kilobytes. I'm very sure of that. There are lots of themes you can choose from here. So yes, the total number of themes you can apply is 4013, and you can search for any theme you want. Let's say I'm searching for Real Madrid. So as you can see, there are a total of 34 Real Madrid here. So here is the Instagram story like that we choose from. As you can see, it's just showing like Instagram. So let's get down to the main business. How do I install WhatsApp Plus? WhatsApp Plus is very simple to install but very tricky because it uses the same package name as that of the official WhatsApp. So the installation will conflict, and at default it will not install on your phone. But to go around this, first of all, it is very safe to back up your chats by going to settings, chat backup here. Just back up your chat first of all, as we'll be uninstalling our official WhatsApp. After that, go on and uninstall your WhatsApp. Once you have uninstalled the official WhatsApp, download the WhatsApp Plus, then just go into your file manager and install directly. But I have seen few people complain online that even after uninstalling their official WhatsApp Plus is still not installing. So to fix this, all you have to do is restart your phone. As soon as your phone finishes booting, install WhatsApp as fast as possible. So let me show you. Let's say this is where I downloaded my WhatsApp Plus. Move it outside the base of your memory card or your inner memory. So this way I can easily get to the file. So restart your phone as soon as it has finished booting up. Install it as fast as possible, and you see it is going to install. So that brings us to the end of this review. Let me know in the comments box the top features you like about this WhatsApp Plus, and don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, as this really helps me a lot. Thank you for staying tuned, guys. Till next time, peace out.